Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dust bags for miter saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the large capacity miter saw scraps collector bag. If you're tired of wood chips and sawdust cluttering your workspace, this 2-pack of large capacity miter saw dust bags offers a practical solution. They're designed to fit 255 miter saws with adjustable ports that expand from 1.57 to 1.89 inches. You'll appreciate the PVC transparent window that lets you monitor dust levels without opening the bag. The hook and loop closure guarantees chips stay contained, while the bottom zipper makes emptying a breeze. Made from durable, wear-resistant materials, these bright orange bags feature leak-proof construction for lasting performance. While most users praise their dust collection ability, you'll want to verify compatibility with your saw's exhaust port first. Moving on at number 4, we have the DEWALT N126162 dust bag. Workshop enthusiasts seeking reliable dust collection will find the DEWALT N126162 dust bag an essential companion for their miter saws. This lightweight, 2.24-ounce bag fits various DEWALT and Black & Decker models, measuring 11x 3x 2.30 inches. You'll appreciate the durable zipper and material that effectively captures fine particles, earning it a 4.4-star rating from over 2,000 users. While it's compatible with 352 VS Type 7 and Type 8 models, you should verify fit specifications, as some users report attachment issues with certain compound miter saws. When properly fitted, it outperforms original attachments in dust collection efficiency. At number 3, we have the replacement anti-dust cover bag for miter saw. Perfect for contractors and DIY enthusiasts who prioritize workshop cleanliness, the replacement anti-dust cover bag offers reliable sawdust collection for 255 miter saws and compatible belt sanders. You'll appreciate the sturdy construction featuring iron wire and nylon cloth, ensuring your dust bag withstands regular use. The convenient bottom zipper makes emptying and storing collected sawdust a breeze. While the color might vary slightly from online images due to lighting differences, you're getting a practical solution that'll keep your workstation and countertops dust-free. Just remember to account for minor variations in measurements when installing this durable dust collection accessory. At number 2, we have the miter saw dust collection bag with zipper. Craftspeople seeking hassle-free dust management will appreciate this 2-pack of zipper-equipped dust collection bags. At 9.05x 6.1 inches, these premium polyester bags feature a 2-inch diameter opening and steel wire construction for a secure fit. You'll find installation straightforward with no extra tools needed. The bag's flexible hood opening provides better dust containment than standard options, while the convenient zippers make emptying collected debris simple. They're versatile enough for various power tools, including cutting machines, edge planers, and belt sanders. The adjustable hood guarantees you'll get a superior fit regardless of your machine's specifications. And finally, at number 1, we have the POWERTEC miter saw dust collector bag. Miter saw users seeking professional-grade dust collection will find exceptional value in the POWERTEC dust collector bag. This versatile bag captures up to 70% of dust and debris while fitting most 7.1/4 to 8.1/2 miter saws with standard dust ports. You'll appreciate the thoughtful design features, including a secure hook and loop closure system and a convenient bottom zipper for easy emptying. The bag's durable construction stands up to workshop demands, while its lightweight design, just 1.94 ounces, won't strain your saw. With a top 5 ranking in miter saw accessories and strong customer ratings, it's a reliable choice for maintaining a cleaner workspace. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.